Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, go to the general section, then tap on iPhone storage and find the Facebook app right here. So tap on it. Once you find it, then here you need to click on the offload app option. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just tap on the offload app and confirm. And wait for it. Then just click on reinstall app. So wait for it to be installed again. And once that's done, that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.